In this video, we're going to show you how to install PU panels quickly and easily. But first, what are PU panels? The PU stands for polyurethane. It's a high-density, lightweight and strong material. PU panels are designed to look and feel just like real stone. Each piece is hand-painted to match the natural colours and textures, so you get the beauty of stone without the heavy weight or messy construction. We offer two different models. The stone look model, great for a rustic and natural style, and the smooth decorative model, perfect for a clean modern design. Now, let's talk about installation. In this video, we are using only OB1 multi-surface sealant and adhesive, cleared to fix the panels. That's all you need, simple and effective. Here are the basic steps. Prepare the wall and measure the space. Clean the surface and remove any nails or screws. Cut the panels to size. If needed, use a saw for adjustments. Apply OB1 adhesive to the back of the panel and press it firmly onto the wall. Install the next panels. Keep them aligned or stagger them for a more natural look. Make cuts for outlets or switches. Always turn off the power before working around electricity. Let the adhesive dry and that's it. In just a few hours, you'll have a brand new wall with a professional finish. With PU panels, you can transform any space fast, clean, and with amazing results. So keep watching to see the full step-by-step installation.